All right, have you heard about a grub hoe? Do you know about the grub hoe? These humble hoes are kind of big on top and they're used all over the world and there's different shapes and sizes. This one's actually made of recycled plow tines, I think. It's this company called Rogue. They upcycle old farm tools. And I think that this is a component that was once used to plow a field and now it's a hand tool. So it's a great reusage. It's a great upcycling, and we are using it to heal the soil, not till the soil. And this company, Rogue, does a really great job. I really like them. Their tools are incredible. This tool is my go-to tool. It's this, my flat bottom shovel, and my scythe and my rice knife, right? This is one of those core tools. So when I want to clear an area, when there's topsoil, when I want to, chop things up, this is the thing. When there's rocky soil, when there's stuff I need to like pry out, this or the meadow creature, if you want to size up, the meadow creature is the best broad fork that you can buy. And I use that to really remove those bigger rocks and stuff. But it's that pairing of perfect tools that you're going to be using for a lifetime. I sharpen this, I smooth out the edge. It's very, very, very awesome, very easy to use. It's very open, it's big, so you can grab it while you're working on it. And then the weight of it's really nice. It's kind of like this perfect length for me, and it's balanced really well. So if you want to find the best hoe, I would go for a grub hoe. And I'm not endorsing specifically Rogue. I'm not affiliated with them, but I really like them. I like their idea of upcycling and recycling. Maybe you can do that on your farm with the equipment that you have. But do the grub hoe. Get the grub hoe. The grub hoe thing's incredible, and it's something that everyone should have. It's a critical tool. So that's the grub hoe. I'm Matt Powers. Grow abundantly, learn daily, and live regeneratively. And I'll see you soon.